Hi everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my camper. This is where I'm staying right now. And this is the Quntis 20 watt USB-C charging nuggets. And so we're gonna take a look at these. If you have the Apple ones, you know those ones are kind of big. So these guys came up with a way to make them smaller and still be able to charge at about the same speed, I think. So that's what we're gonna give a try to here, if I can open it. And I got these from Amazon, and I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can get one for yourselves. So let's see if I can open this thing up. I don't have a knife, so I have to undo the tape. There we go. So let's see how the packaging looks here. So here we are. So this is what it comes in like this, and there's the empty box. Actually, not quite empty. There's the instructions, the wall charger manual, if you need that. Freeze it and take a screenshot or something. Okay, so then here, these are what the nuggets look like. And so let's take one out, and this is how it is here. We'll undo it here. Got a lot of plastic on it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And so, like, if you're familiar, man, I'm trying to think, do I even have the, I don't have the Apple one, but this one here is like the same size. So here you can see, like, this one here. See, this one here is big and this one here is small. So it's significantly smaller. I think the Apple one is almost the same size as this. This is like the same size like the, I don't know, what was it, a little elf. Oh, I think it was from a camera I had at one point. But my Amazon one looks just like that too. But this one here, see, it's way smaller, and it's USB-C, which is nice. And so this is the nugget here. And so we're gonna give this thing a try and see if it charges. My phone is what I'm recording this with, so we're not gonna be able to actually use that, but I'll plug it into my AirPods here. Let me try this again. I have a plug here, and we'll see if it charges. And we are charging. So we have, the light is on. So far so good. If it actually is the 20 watts, we'll see. I'm gonna try it. Actually, I'll try it and plugging this into my like iPad or something like that too, to see if it really charges that pretty good, or my MacBook. Nothing ever charges my MacBook. So that one's kind of, none of these little ones, it needs like 40 watts, I think. So it's not gonna be able to charge that, but it should be able to charge like an iPad Pro. That's what I have, is my iPad Pro. Should be able to charge that pretty good. So I like these. These are nice. Comes with 2 of them. So this is what the other one looks like, same thing. And these are by Quntis. What is it? Quntis. So that's the brand right there. You can see, I don't know if it focuses in on that, but that's it. So it's kind of cool. It's nice, super easy to travel with and stuff like that. Like if you're traveling with it, if you need a USB-C, a single one, this is perfect. If you need like a multi one, you're probably better off with something that's got like 4 or something like that. That's like my travel one, but that's just regular USB, so it's not gonna charge the same speed as these. But I like this, so it seems good. I'm gonna stick this in my luggage, and I'm going on my trip tomorrow, so we'll see how it works. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna put a link to these in the description so you guys can pick them up for yourselves. But this is what it looks like. And thumbs up for me. I like these ones already. We'll see how long they last. I imagine they're gonna work great. So thumbs up for me. I've had other stuff by the same brand, and that's kind of why I picked this one out of all the different options of things to get, because this one, same brand, and everything's worked good from them so far. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'm gonna charge my AirPods so they'll be ready for the airplane tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.